السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
أحسن الله إليك شيخ.
وإليكم أخي.
We operate a furniture repair business where whenever we give an estimate or quote to a customer, let's say for $100, and then we tell them we have 5% on top of that as a sales tax, based on the province and the county you are in. But at the end of the year, when we do our taxes, there's a possibility that we may not pay that 5% in full to the tax agencies, because the tax agency provides you different legal ways to pay less in taxes by subtracting your yearly expenses and stuff like this. So because there's a possibility that you may not pay those 5% in full, would it be okay?
Akhi, do you have VAT in your country?
Do we have, sorry, what?
VAT, valued added tax, VAT.
No.
So if I'm fixing my sofa in your shop and I'm paying you $105, does the tax, the IRS will come after me and say the $105 you paid, you have to pay us this amount, or they deduct it, or whatever?
Well, what I'm trying to say is...
Answer me. Would they charge me after I've paid you $105? Would they charge me anything?
Sorry, probably 0 to 9%.
Okay,
most likely.
So if this is the case, whatever you tell the customer, this is on you, because the customer paid you the extra $5 thinking that is needed. If you were to tell them the cost is $105, full stop, whether there is taxes or not, whether there is extra charges or not, all what I want from you is $105. It's none of your business what I do with it. And they pay it willingly, you're fine. You can take the whole amount, do with it whatever you want. But the moment you say to them, your cost is $100, but you have to add to that 5%, which means that we will pay taxes and we need you to give us this so that we can pay the taxes on it, this is not halal for you. You have to calculate whatever you've taken and dispose of it in means of charity, and Allah knows best.